Hey everyone, this is Obaid and welcome back to our channel. Today I just got this X87 stereo wireless earphone for just £3.24. Believe me, it's so cheap as £3.24 with this wireless stereo LED headphone. Honestly, I had to try this out to see if they are actually worth it or not. Let's start unboxing.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
First of all, look at this charging case with premium LED battery display showing left and right here, left and right. It looks very premium with such a low price. It's unbelievable. It's really unbelievable. Now I'm going to show you how to connect this earphones with any devices like this mobile phone. To do this, first you need to open Bluetooth on your mobile phone like this. And after that, you just need to pull these two earphone out of this case and leave this lid open, so you can see this TWS. Now click on it and allow access pair with this TWS. So you can see it has now been connected, so you can use these earphone. Same procedure for every devices. Now watch this again. As soon as you pull these two earphones out of the case, they automatically turn on and connect instantly with your mobile phone or any devices that you have been paired before. Now I'm going to try this Bluetooth earphones. It's now been connected with my mobile phone. Wow, it sounds really good. It's same like branded AirPods. It sounds really good. When I put them in, I say, wow, it's amazing. The sound is really clear and the bass is surprisingly good for these budgeted earphones. Wow, it's same like branded earphones. Really nice. Now you can see they comfortably fit into the ears. Its noise cancellation function working really well, which makes listening to the music or taking call much better. They are fully wireless and perfect for everyday use during workout or during travel. Overall, I am really impressed with the X87 wireless stereo microphone. I'm honestly speaking, it's worth the price. It's unbelievable. If you want to get these wireless stereo LED display earphones within a very affordable rate, then click on our yellow basket and grab yours. If you really enjoy this video, please don't forget to follow or subscribe our channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.